Hi team, and welcome back to my channel. If you are brand spanking new here, then my channel is all about productivity, simplicity, and living life by your own design. Today we are talking about capsule wardrobes yet again, as promised. I adore my capsule wardrobe. If you've been here for a minute, you already know that. But I have seen a fair few mistakes that people have made making theirs. I have made a fair few myself. So I thought today I'd go through a couple of the common mistakes that I've made and that I've seen others make so that you don't have to do it while you're making yours. Alright team, without further ado, let's hop straight to it. Number one, and I see this a bunch, particularly on YouTube weirdly, is sticking to a number. There's this weird thing at the moment where it's kind of like, my 40 item capsule wardrobe, my 10 item capsule wardrobe. Don't go into extremes. Don't limit yourself to a specific number. Limit yourself to your needs. It's not productive to go, I can only do these 40 items, so I guess I need to have all basics and that's all I've got. But even though I need way more winter clothes than everything else, but I can't afford to do 39 items or 41 items for that extra big winter coat. That is absolutely ridiculous. On the flip side, the next one, bringing in all kinds of crap. Cluttering up your wardrobe again really quickly after you decluttered it in the first place. You've spent all this time designing your capsule wardrobe to work for you. Don't just bring in things because it's really easy to fall into stuff that's trendy, stuff that's on sale, or stuff that's easy. Being afraid to add in new things. You should add in new things. You should find stuff that you're kind of like, oh, you know what? That thing isn't quite what I need it to be anymore. I'm gonna get rid of that and add in this. Or to kind of, at any point in your life, oh, I've changed hobbies. I probably don't need all of these painter's shirts anymore, so I'm going to get rid of them. Oh, there's that jumper that's kind of gotten a little bit ratty. I'll bring in a new jumper. Oh, I've discovered that actually that jumper is not really the way that I want to feel when I go out for dinner, so I'll get a different jumper that will fulfill that purpose. Pay attention to what you need for the life you lead. And don't be afraid to fill a niche if there's something missing. Not sticking to your personal style. This is possibly the one that I see the most. Not only do you fall for just buying stuff, but you can so easily fall back into the trap of, oh, that's kind of interesting, or ooh, I like that. But really, it's not that you actually like that, it's that you like the idea of that. You've proven to yourself what you actually like. You've gone through a process of finding your personal style, unique to you. The stuff that you've self-defined as the things that make you feel awesome. And buying outside of your personal style will not make you feel amazing, it'll make you feel weird when you wear it. I had like this big coat thing that I was like, oh, it's amazing, I have to have it, look how swanky and weird and the patterning and blah blah blah. And I didn't wear it. I didn't have a need to wear it, I didn't have a want to wear it, but I kept it in my wardrobe because I liked the idea of the jacket. And I could have saved myself that 200 odd bucks way back when I bought that sucker and just admitted that it wasn't for me. There is a reason we say find your personal style and shop within it. Is to avoid those mistakes like this idiot made. Being afraid to let go of the things that used to be in your love pile or that used to bring you so much joy. Because the truth of the matter is, sometimes things change. I had a big jumper that I loved to pieces, and that was slowly kind of becoming unstrung, and so I didn't wear it out, but I still loved the jumper. But it wasn't actually fulfilling that need, it wasn't making me feel amazing, and I hung on to that thing for so long. So it's okay, I know it's hard. It's sometimes super hard to let go of those pieces that have held an importance in your life at some point, or even just that used to bring you joy. You form a weird bond with stuff. But trust me, it will be better in the long run if you let it go. Don't let it sit in your cupboard and not be used. Give it to someone who could get some joy out of it instead. Decluttering can be hard, and a minimalist mindset cannot be an easy thing to shift around. But trust me, when you simplify your life, you'll find this joy in time and ease that you didn't realize you could have before. In fact, I have a video coming up next week about digital minimalism and how to declutter your phone and keep a really simple setup that will help to ease your mind. Subscribe and click that bell to be notified of when that video goes live, and start to simplify your life today. Trust me, you'll be so happy that you did. I popped a couple of videos up on the screen that I think might be useful to you guys, that can help you to get along on this journey that we call life and start living it in your own way. As always, thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!